The Rosemount 9000 series magnetic flow meter is a breakthrough in flow measurement, designed for smarter, safer, and more sustainable operations. Its intrinsically safe 9205 magnetic flow sensor delivers 4-wire performance with the simplicity and safety of a 2-wire solution, reducing wiring and minimizing the time personnel spend in hazardous areas. Built on decades of proven reliability, this next-generation device combines optimized magnetics, advanced diagnostics, and intuitive connectivity to deliver best-in-class performance and meaningful, real-time process insights. Building on the foundation of sensor efficiency, the 9732 magnetic flow transmitter brings powerful intelligence to your flow application. It features a built-in data historian that logs process upsets, deviations, and values, giving operators the insight they need to quickly pinpoint issues. With 65% less power consumption, smart meter verification, and advanced digital signal processing, it helps you meet operational goals while supporting sustainability initiatives. Flexible, licensable channels and universal power compatibility make integration seamless, no matter your industry or application. Emerson's Rosemount 9000 series delivers the highest value and most advanced capabilities in magnetic flow measurement. Learn more at emerson.com.